Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Missy. So if you are returning, thank you. If you are new, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me and my YouTube family. So y'all, today I'm gonna give y'all some motivation on cleaning out your refrigerator. Yes, my refrigerator needs to be cleaned out because it's been a minute since I've cleaned it out. It really does need to be organized. I just been putting stuff on top of stuff. My grandchildren been putting stuff on top of stuff. My baby girl Quasia has been putting stuff on top of stuff. So it's time to get it decluttered, cleaned, and organized. So before we get started to this video, how about giving it a like and comment down below. So let me show y'all what the refrigerator is looking like. Look at that. Need to clean the door handle. Need to clean the outside. I'm not going to do the freezer because the freezer is full of stuff. I am going to clean that out right there. I don't even use that, but it needs to be cleaned out. And this is what the inside is looking like. Yes. I got to put my fruits in some water and vinegar. I haven't done that yet. We just went to the grocery store. And I need to get all this cleaned out, throw away the stuff that's been in here, and so I can organize the stuff that I just put in here. So this is real life, y'all. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, so let me get started, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do it shelf by shelf. That way it'll be a little bit easier for me. So let me get the trash can. Because there's going to be a lot of stuff that's going to be thrown away. Anything that I might have duplicate of, and whichever one is the lowest, I'm going to go ahead and throw it away. I'm a food hoarder as much as, but I'm a food hoarder. I'm a food hoarder. I'm a food hoarder.
Baby crawl. You play me and you made me fall for you. It's sad but true.
So I'm just gonna be using soap and bleach.
But I made up my mind. I'm gonna pack my bags up, walk out the door. I won't be back. You'll see me no more. No, no. You better leave me alone. I miss you, but I'm sick and tired of loving you. I don't know why, just know that I do. Please leave me alone. I'm gonna miss you, but I'll be gone. You know I don't wanna fight ya, but there is something about ya that makes me wanna scream and shout. You left me hanging out and out. I think you never leave me, but you cheated and deceived me. You never cared for me at all. You had me at your beck and call. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. You're no good, still I'm loving you. But I made up my mind. I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before.
Okay, y'all. This is what it's looking like. I've cleaned it out. So now I just gotta put the food back in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the door. This is what it's looking like.
Feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yeah. It's all because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, my worries disappear. It's all because of you, yeah. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yes you do. It's all because of you.
Okay, y'all, so here's the door. I wiped it out. Took everything out, wiped it down. So I'm gonna put everything back in that I am going to keep. So this is all that I'm throwing away. Yes, it's a lot. It has filled my trash can up. But I'm gonna go ahead and separate it so I can put stuff in the recycling bin and in the trash can. So this is all that I'm throwing away. And this is all that I'll be putting back. I'll be organizing it. So let's organize it, y'all. Okay, y'all, I have been soaking my fruits, my grapes and my strawberries. I'm gonna rinse them off and I'm gonna put them in these containers here and put them in the refrigerator. But first I'm going to go ahead and let them dry, and then I'm going to put them in the bowl, and then I'll be putting them in the refrigerator.
Holding on. If you love it, you set it free. Just let it go, move along. That's how it's got to be. Breaking slowly for a while. Breaking is easy. Take your time, don't just lay it on the line. Make it right. I'll be lonely for a while, but believe me, I'll be fine. It happens all in good time. I don't know, c'est la vie, said the old folks down at the bar. And our old friends bothered and up, wondering where you are. You want something else, I agree, but that's where you belong. No point bending back, 'cause for me, I'm just shifting along. There's no use holding on. If you love it, you set it free. Just let it go, move along. That's how it's got to be. Breaking slowly for a while. Breaking is easy.
Okay, y'all, I cleaned the outside of the refrigerator. I cleaned the ice and water machine part of the freezer, but I did not clean the freezer because I have a lot of food in there to organize. That's gonna be another story. So on the top shelf, I have my eggs and my chicken salads and my biscuit. On the second shelf, I have my cheese and vegetables. And the third shelf, I have my juice and my water bottles, and also the milk. And on the fourth shelf, I have yogurt in there and some fruit cups for Mild and Majesty. And I also put my strawberries and grapes in there. Grapes are up under the strawberries. In this drawer, I have my tomatoes, green pepper, onions, and cucumbers. In the last drawer, I have bagels, English muffin, and cream cheese. And so, yeah, this is the final results, y'all. And so here on the door, I have all of my condiments. For today's video, I cleaned up my refrigerator, decluttered it, and organized it. I hope you guys got motivated to do the same or clean anything in your home. If so, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you on my next video. Bye.